How to record your voice using the voiceover tool with PowerDirector Video Editor App. To start recording your voice over the video you are editing, you will go ahead and tap on the audio option down here, and by tapping on it, you'll see all these different tools will show up. The tool that you will use to record your voice is the voiceover tool. So tap on that one time and you will see this here. Now you can choose to either start recording right away over the video you're editing or move the timeline as to where you want it to start with the voiceover. So if I place it over here and I tap this to record, that's where the voice is going to start recording. So I'll start recording now. This is just a video tutorial on how to use the voiceover tool for PowerDirector. Now I can tap here and it's gonna pause it for me. I can choose to press the check mark to save what I just recorded and later on come back again and voice over. Or let's say there's another part of my video that I want to voice over, and what I'm gonna do is move the timeline by holding down here and say I want this to voice over somewhere around here. So I'll continue here. This is the other part of the voiceover that I'm doing for this video. And you will notice that whenever you start to record your voice, this little violet color area will start to appear and it will continue recording until you tap on it to stop. And now pressing the check mark will save it, or if you press the X, it will delete everything you just voiced over. So as I press the check mark now here, if you have the white outline here, you are editing this one here. So if you want to hear the first part, you'll move over the timeline. I'll tap on this part here, which is my first one. And by tapping here, I can adjust the volume of it. Maybe it's too loud. Or I can split portions of it. Maybe I said too much to the near end, so I will bring it to here where the blue line is. I will tap on the split option. Let me show you that closer here. This is my split. And with this selected, I can delete this part because I don't need it. And I'll just use the delete option here. And that's gonna remove that portion for me, okay? Now we can just go back to the other part. And maybe this one was really loud, so I can adjust the volume, make it lower, and it'll be a lot lower than the usual, okay? Now, whatever you save it as, this is going to save your voiceovers on the video you are editing, okay? So whatever you save it as, whatever is here, whatever is over there, and you save it, those are going to save there. And one more thing, if you just so happen to have this saying that it needs to mute, that's just the original audio of the video. So if you didn't want the original audio of the video playing and you just want to have your voice playing, you can just tap here to mute it and that would work. All right, so like and sub.